Good afternoon, my loves. I pray wherever this video may find you, meet or greet you, that it finds you in the best of health and your spirits. I lifted on high. How y'all doing? I hopped on here because I need a knee replacement. My kneecap have fallen, and my ratio in my knee is off pretty bad. And I've been working out and doing a lot of yoga and cardio exercises. When it comes to the lunges, when it comes to the squats, I have trouble where by the ratio in my one knee can't bend as far to the fullest extent as my right knee. It's just very difficult. And I was wondering if anyone that's in the arena of really into working out and really know about the meniscus, if I'm saying it right, I think that's what it's called. It's rubbing bone on bone. And the community that I'm in, I just haven't had the best of luck finding an orthopedic that will treat me. I have been denied by 3 doctors so far that accepts my insurance. However, in the community that I'm in, I really don't trust no one because of the situation going on. I've been shadow banned, blackballed. There's a lot of people that's coming that have came against me, far as to where doctors have falsified documents. You heard me. And I just don't trust it, just to be honest. However, still trying to get my body intact and trying to stay fit in shape. I just need to know what moves is there for a person in my situation. Is that rain? God is about to rain down on somebody. I love the rain, y'all. Somebody can be doing a lot of crying. I don't know, I'm just getting all these downloads. Somebody could be doing a lot of crying. Somebody's sick. I see this woman and it's like she's standing in the corner of a room, like grabbing herself, like she just received some bad news. She got a doctor report. I don't know who that's for. I'm just receiving downloads as I'm sitting here. For somebody, not for everybody, but it's about to be a lot of blessings pouring in for you. I'm hearing God gonna sprinkle some here and sprinkle some there. He ain't gonna pour it all in at once, but they coming in at an accelerated pace. I'm hearing joy cometh in the morning time. Ain't no need to worry what the night is gonna bring. It'll be all over in the morning. Ain't no need to worry about what you're going through in this dark time that's in your life. Because sunshine is about to come shining through for somebody. I don't know who needed to hear that. Somebody could be swimming or going to the beach. I heard somebody water could have just broken or getting ready to break. Somebody about to go into labor. I'm hearing God will fix it. I don't know. I got on here to ask for help so I can build my other leg just as well as I'm building my right leg. And I just begin to receive all these downloads. I'm hearing somebody is on the down low that you could be dealing with. I'm hearing Cherokee. Somebody can own a white Cherokee that's watching me, or this is for you. Take what resonates. Always ask spirit if the message is for you. Came to the park to work out. I didn't know it was gonna rain, but I know I smelled. I told my daughter it looked like a cloudy day today. Ain't no need to worry what the night is gonna bring. It'll be all over in the morning. It'll be all over. Somebody worrying, and you worry a lot at nighttime. Somebody that's watching me, you don't like being by yourself. I'm hearing a long time, a long time. God have moved some people out of your space, have separated you from people because you need a long time to see clearer, to clear your mind. I'm hearing divine timing. Somebody feel as though they're running out of time. I'm hearing things will work out. This is for somebody that's really been going through. Let me be one to tell you, you will overcome whatever it is you're going through. Keep going. I know sometimes you can feel like you want to give up because of your situation or the circumstances you may be in. And it may be overwhelming, but no, I'm one that have been through the ringer, baby. And I'm still here in spite of what other people wanted for my life, what other people intended for my life. I'm still here, and that's because I believe the Most High, that's right here, that's in me, kept me and keeping me. When He be for you, who, you got to ask yourself, who can come against you? If He got me through that storm that I overcame 10 years ago, when He got me through the sickness and disease of cancer 15 years ago, and now here that monster want to come stirring and scurrying back up. I don't know who this is for, but know that you will overcome. Keep going. Sometimes when we think it's over and we feel we don't have the strength to push forward, that's when he gives us the strength in our most weakest times and hours. I know, because I've been there, having to persevere and keep pushing, because I know there's something greater on the other side. I just can't lay down and die. Ain't no limits. And I can speak what I'm speaking because of what I endured and have overcame. Even in the thick of it, you heard me, in the thick of this thing, I had to continue to maintain my sanity when people wanted me to go insane. What's ever not for you, you will learn. What? Just a second. A meadow. That's what they call meadows. Little meadows. That's what some people use for fishing instead of the worms. Yes. So I'm gonna leave you guys. I gotta keep pushing forward. But know that your life is worth living in spite of what you may be going through. We all have a purpose here. And don't allow nothing and no one to keep you from moving forward towards that goal, that dream, that purpose, Peace and love, and y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, and may you have a safe weekend.